Hey guys, so we are inside Universal today for the first time actually. Oh. God, what is...
Professor Binns are long-standing and long-distance.
So Angelia got picked to do the little thingamajig inside of, what is it called?
Ollivanders?
Yeah. So that was really cool. She got picked. So we did is there anything else inside here? There's still more shops. Yeah. So I think we're gonna go look at some more shops inside here, and then we're gonna go to the next area. It's gonna carry it.
My wand for a little bit, yeah, until we get out of here.
Okay, let me rephrase that. They didn't let us have anything. We paid them a king's ransom to have Harry Potter. This white building, this is our fire station. It's called Station 51. Over on the left, stage 23, we do a show in here called Keenan with Keenan Thompson and Don Johnson. That's on Tuesday nights on NBC. Make sure you tune in. And Parenthood filming that day up the hill here on the right. That wall kept Parenthood's filming schedule on schedule that day. It did its job, yeah. And you guys putting that sound wall there?
Just like old times. Gotta love New York City.
Hey, I'm walking here! I'm walking here!
Hey, it's cool, guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets.
So we moved it over to the Peterson Museum in LA. It's safe over there. Anybody see F9? I thought it was fun. I loved it. Jurassic World's got one more movie coming. One more, yep. That's a 3-story arc, and they got one more picture coming. Transformers, I love the Bradley tank here. You know why? You can shoot around corners with that guy. Whatever you do, don't drop it overboard, okay? Thank you. So welcome to Sullivan's...
I take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
So like I was saying, the third row, right?
Roman's up.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It was on vibrate.
Universal was long, very long. Wait times were really long, but a successful day at Universal.